Hi, my name is Aleksandar and I study fat. Obesity is a major global health problem and it's been considered as a pandemic. This disease is characterized by excessive accumulation of fat, an organ that is widely distributed in our body. There are two primary fat types, brown and white. While brown fat actively metabolizes nutrients, keeps our body warm, and contributes to the body weight loss, white fat, on the other side, mostly acts as an energy reservoir. It is the white fat whose excessive accumulation defines obesity. Depending on its localization in our body, white fat can be classified as subcutaneous, the one located just under our skin, and visceral, the one that covers our internal organs. Accumulation of subcutaneous fat leads to so-called pear-shaped obesity and usually does not pose a risk for overall health. Visceral fat, on the other side, triggers apple-shaped obesity, which is known to trigger serious metabolic dysregulations such as cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. The main reason for this difference lays in the fact that subcutaneous fat can undergo browning, a process under which it gains the features of brown fat and starts burning its energy stores. Visceral fat, on the other side, completely rejects this functional change, and to date, there is no scientific evidence reporting the browning of visceral fat under normal conditions. In my thesis work, I've uncovered a method to trigger a strong and preferential browning of visceral fat in mice by employing a combination of cold exposure and microbiota removal. This breakthrough discovery was characterized by improvements in various metabolic parameters. By using some of the cutting-edge techniques such as single-nucleus RNA sequencing and spatial transcriptomics, I was able to discover a novel brown-like adipocyte within visceral fat. Currently, my aim is to describe this mechanism in order to be able to trigger the same metabolic improvements without the need for harsh treatments such as cold exposure and microbiota removal. Ultimately, these findings will give a clue for novel therapeutic solutions to limit the greedy behavior of visceral fat and to restore the metabolic balance in people suffering from obesity and metabolic syndrome.